Hi everyone, welcome to the Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence for high school students. And this is a series on machine learning and artificial intelligence. We'll be starting from zero and going to basically understanding machine learning and artificial intelligence. And it's going to be with Python. And I've written that it's for high school students because we don't need complex algebra. It'll work. You just need some basic algebra knowledge, and the rest will all be explained in this series. As a note, all the videos will be really short, from 2 minutes to maybe 5 minutes, max to max 10 minutes long. Some videos will be sessions, lab sessions, and some will just be normal sessions. Another note is that I will be putting the link for the notebooks, Google Colab notebooks, in the description, which you can check out. Okay, so let's just start. First, let's understand what machine learning is. Machine learning is just a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computer systems to learn and improve without being explicitly programmed. There's basically three parts about this. First is that it's a branch of artificial intelligence, which just means that basically artificial intelligence is the larger part and machine learning is just a smaller part underneath it that allows computer systems to learn and improve. Basically, you're just training the model, and we'll talk about what model is, what training is in the next few videos. And we are not programming the model, the algorithm to learn anything. So an example of this is just, let's say we have a lot of numbers and we need to classify them between 0 and 1. That's machine learning. We want to classify them between cats and dogs. That's machine learning. We need to classify if a person has heart disease. Machine learning. We want to build self-driving cars. Machine learning. So it's recommender systems. Machine learning. Really, it's basically everywhere around us. Machine learning and artificial intelligence, and it's really grown due to the rise of large language models like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and also the rise of GPUs from NVIDIA. Another note for this from the series is that all the videos will be structured in a way just like Andrew Ng's course on Coursera. Basically, it's just a smaller, simpler version of his course for high school students. And basically, what I'm doing is I'm eliminating a lot of complex math, a lot of complex stuff, and making it more simple so that anyone can understand. There are basically two types of machine learning. We'll be learning about both. The first is supervised machine learning, and the other is unsupervised machine learning. In supervised machine learning, the machine is told, specifically told, to do something. Unsupervised learning, nothing is told to the machine. Now, there might be confusion that if you're telling the machine to do something, aren't we explicitly programming it? We are not. Let's say we tell the model to predict numbers at a 0 and predict numbers at a 1. So we are not explicitly programming the model to identify images that are zeros. The machine is learning by itself how to identify images that are zeros, how to identify images that are ones. Same thing with unsupervised learning, we just give it a lot of data and we tell it to sort of classify it, make groups of it, cluster it, find special cases. We look at that right now. This is basically supervised learning where you have two images. Let's say we have 4 images. 2 images are of cats, 2 images are of dogs. And basically what supervised learning has done is has classified them into 2 groups, cats and dogs. And we are telling the model to classify between cats and dogs. Unsupervised learning is like this. We have a lot of data unclassified and we don't tell the model what to do. We just let the model do what it wants to do. And in the end, it looks something like this, where similar things are together like this. This is called clustering. It's an example of unsupervised learning. There are other unsupervised learning algorithms like recommender system. So something that YouTube or Netflix might use. Or reinforcement learning. So maybe using reinforcement learning, you can make a lunar lander. So you can basically train a rover to land on the moon or something like that. So that was it for this short video. In the next video, we'll be talking a lot more about linear regression and regression, what a model is and what a neural network is, and other things will just be covered in the whole series together. Thank you for this video.